Namaskar everyone. Thank you for following, thank you for watching, thank you for all your feedbacks, and I hope you're doing well. Stay healthy, stay home, go out only if it's necessary. Last week I received a lot of inputs regarding my kids contest. Thank you very much. I've actually decided to open it from the age of 4 to 12 because I have a lot of participants who are interested at that age. So tomorrow it starts official from 1st June till 29th June. Who can participate? It's kids from 4 years old to 12 years old. Parents, you can help them, but the 100% idea should be your kids' idea. It can be any material. The minimal length of your wing should be, one side of your wing should be at least 1 feet, and no buying no buying wings and posting it. You have to do your own wing. Any kids from any race, any religion, anyone can participate. Yoga is for all. My yoga is open to everyone. I don't see religion or race in my yoga, so as well as my competition as well. What you have to do is you have to create your own wing, wear it, take a photograph front and back, like Ravel Yoga Studio in Instagram, and follow, and also in Facebook page, and post it. Parents, post it in your Facebook or Instagram and hashtag Ravel Yoga Studio, and email us the picture and also details of your kids and parents details. So I will announce the winners of the competition on 30th of June. The prizes are surprise. I will announce it on 30th of June. Alright, so back to our topic. This is the final video of tips on how to focus on Sattvic diet. So the 7th tip is to have an organizer. Okay, have an organizer. This is mine. I always keep it with me. I always plan my week. So what I do is every morning when I wake up, I write my weight, my BP, my temperature, my heart rate, everything. I write every day. I keep track on my health. Okay, and then I plan my week ahead. Sundays, every Sunday I will sit and write what I want to cook, what I want to have, what will be my calories. I will count every calories of my food, so then it's easy to know how much you are eating and what you are eating. Okay, so tip number 7 is to have your own diary, plan your week, plan your meals. Okay, and tip number 8 is to put a full stop for cravings. Okay, cravings is the main enemy when you are focusing on a diet. Okay, I'm very sure you'll agree to me. Craving actually, what happens is, cravings are most of the time hormones, especially pregnant women and all. Even if you're not pregnant also, women every month we have hormones problem. Men do have it also. So cravings actually hormone induced. Yes, sometimes it's very difficult to fight, but mentally you can fight it. So put an end to your cravings and start focusing on what you need. Okay, when you compare the need and craving, your need is more important. All right, that is important. Okay, so and tip number 9 is to stop eating and giving importance to your taste buds. Okay, I'm very sure your grandmothers used to tell you that whatever is bitter is good for health, right? So same way it works here also. Okay, not all vegetables are pleasant to eat, but there are methods to cook every vegetable. Learn it. Okay, there's so many videos to cook, there's so many books to read about food cooking, so you can take your time and read and prepare every meal according to it. Okay, if you can't do that every day, at least do once a week. at least once a week. Don't give importance to your taste bud, give importance to your health, give importance to the nutrients, and eat according to what you need, what your body needs, what your cell needs, what your organ needs. All right, so this is my final tip. I hope it helped you. I hope it will help you to focus on Sattvic diet. All the best in your Sattvic diet journey. If you need any help or guide or any tips, you can always message me to my Instagram or Facebook, or email me ravelyogastudio@gmail.com. Thank you. Namaskar.